What's up with Alaska? It's a pretty weird shape, don't you think? Especially this funny bit right here. Now, you're probably familiar with the fact that the Russians, they were doing a similar thing with To Manifest Destiny, but moving east instead of west. And they moved all the way over to the very edge of Asia and then right on over into Alaska. Now, they were mainly doing it for fur trading, as well as other types of hunting. And so they went and they conquered a lot of these islands and different territories, especially further down into here. And they had a couple little wars with Native American tribes right here. Now, they never really set up large settlements. They just had really kind of small encampments and they had some forts, but overall, it wasn't a whole lot. And then they sold it over to the United States. And this was a really big deal. Everybody was like, what a big mistake. Why would the United States buy it? And then they found gold and then they found oil. And then it really turned out to be pretty profitable overall. But there was quite a bit of problems between the United States and Canada, then controlled by the British Empire, over what was the actual boundaries right here. Eventually, they determined that it should be this. And so they have this funny little panhandle of sorts coming off of Alaska that the Canadians were really unhappy that the British gave up. And that was one of the many reasons why they wanted to have an independent government away from the British. The real question is, why don't we just connect it? Let's make it so they're connected. Connected! No, I don't want to deal with Canadians. Gross.